Here's a quick tutorial on how to install the Anydesk remote support application onto your Mac or PC. Simply open a browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, any browser will work. Go up into the address bar and type in anydesk.com and make sure you hit enter here. Do not select the option to do the Google search. It's just going to take you through an extra step. So hit enter or return. That'll take you straight to the Anydesk website, and what you want to do here is just hit download now. And for most browsers, you'll see the download down here at the bottom. Some you'll see it up top in the top right corner, such as if you're using Firefox, you may have to hit a little down arrow there to view your downloads. And then you'll just go ahead and click on that to open the Anydesk program. Okay, once you have the program opened, I've had to kind of crop mine out because we have sensitive information in here. You'll want to go ahead and hit the Install Anydesk on this computer option and hit Accept from there. And that's it. You'll just hit Get Started, and in the top left corner, Anydesk will say Anydesk address, and that's what your technician will need to go ahead and connect over to your computer. You can kick them out at any time by just closing the window. And if you're using this for remote access at work, you can also go into the settings, which will allow you to set in an unattended password under the security section here. Thanks for watching.